a rubber band, scissors, a hole puncher, and a stapler. First, you're going to fold your paper like you do when making a fan. Then fold your folded paper into a quarter of your paper. Then cut out that little booklet that you have now made. Now cut the curved part so that you can make each separate pages. Staple your papers into a book. Then hole punch the edge the staples are on. Put your rubber band through that hole punched hole. Your DIY is done. For this you're going to need a chewing gum. Unwrap your chewing gum or bubble gum so that you just have the chewing gum wrapper. Mold it into a shape of a rubber. Your DIY is done. For this you're going to need a sharpener and a bowl of cereal. Open your sharpener so that you have it in two parts. Put your cereal inside the sharpener so it looks like sharpenings. Close your sharpener so that no one can see your hidden food.
With my pencil.
No. You can use a bottle of Elmer's glue, some slime, which you can find out how to make in the description box down below. So you can wash that. First you're going to need to make sure that there is nothing inside your glue bottle. Then put all the slime that you have made from that video that I have posted into the glue bottle. When you have done that, your DIY is done.